In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Pandadoc for someone to sign. We'll walk through the entire process from uploading your document to placing the signature field, all the way to sending it out for e-signature. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause at any time to match what I'm doing. First, look at the left-hand sidebar in your Pandadoc dashboard. You'll see an option labeled New Document. Go ahead and click on that. This is how you start the process of turning any file, like a PDF or a Word document, into a signable Pandadoc. Once the new document window opens, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to create it. For this workflow, select the option called Select File. This lets you upload an existing document from your computer or connected storage. Browse to the file you want someone to sign, click on it, and confirm the upload. After a brief moment, Pandadoc will load a preview of your document on the screen. Next, you'll need to add the people who will be signing or receiving this document. Look for the section labeled Add Recipients. Here, you'll enter the email addresses of your signers. Take a second to double-check the spelling of each email so your document doesn't bounce or end up in the wrong inbox. When you're done adding your recipients, click Continue to move forward. Now, you'll be taken into the editor where you can place fields onto your document. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel with different field types. Find the one labeled Signature. Click and drag that signature field onto the exact spot in the document where you want your signer to sign. If you have multiple signers or multiple signature spots, you can drag additional signature fields and assign each one to the correct recipient. After you've placed the signature fields and everything looks good, click on Review and Send. This is your final chance to make sure the document is set up properly. You'll be asked to enter a document name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily find it later, then click Continue again. You'll now see the email message that will be sent to your recipient. Type in the email content you want them to receive, such as a brief explanation or any instructions. Keep it short but clear so they know what they're signing and why. When you're happy with the message, click Send Document. Pandadoc will email your recipients with a secure link, and your document is now out for signature.